We got a 2008 Ford Focus. If you don't believe me, there it is. It's got a loud squeal coming from the front every time you hit the brakes, and even when you're not hitting the brakes. So I think it's the caliper. What's specific on the caliper? I don't know, but obviously when you hit the brakes, the piston is supposed to come back in and relieve the pressure. And I'm still hearing the couple like the brakes is like constantly rubbing. So which I'm gonna go ahead and assume either bad brake caliper or a very common issue is the brake line collapse. So let's get these 4 19mm lug nuts off and check it out. Two 14mm, wow, two 14mm caliper bracket bolts. Oh, that was nice and easy. Brought out the breaker bar just in case I had problems, but no problems here. When you take these off, you want to oh yeah, it's locked on there. Oh yeah, it's definitely, I would definitely say caliper or brake line. I don't feel like getting up and getting a pry bar. And they don't move. So go ahead and grab that off. Oh. 15mm. Oh. Man, having a lift would be amazing right now. Oh. Yeah, okay, that's on there. See if the Milwaukee can take us the rest of the way. That's exhausting. Nope, not yet. How about the top one? Nope. Wow. Okay, time to go switch the air impact. That's on there. It's really rusty. Time to show who's boss. Wow. Yeah, that's how on there they were. Air impact had problems. Okay. Let's take it over to the workbench and let's get these out. A vise always comes in handy when doing something like this. So the goal is to get this out without snapping it off inside here. Oh, well. Okay, so that's not the worst. I've seen a lot worse, so that's fine. So we'll just take a pry bar like this. Okay, so that one wasn't bad. I'm just going to set this back in here just because one of them has a rubber grommet and one doesn't. So we'll just, instead of making a mental note, this is our problem one. All right, let's kind of just want to go by feel. don't just start pulling on this with all your might, because if you don't feel it really breaking loose at all, you could be just twisting it in there, and you do not want to break that off, because then we have to drill it out, which if you're watching my video, you don't have the ability to drill this out. No offense. Let's just say you're a professional, you're not watching my video. So, no offense to you, it's just, you know, either am I, and that's why I made these. But you either drill it out or buy a brand new one, which probably the route you're gonna go. So like I said, I just wanna, oh, it's coming up, it's close. A nice pry bar really helps. Okay, here we go, got it. Oh, that's a success. All right. So this is what happens when you don't grease. See that right there? When you don't sand down and grease these at every brake change. I mean, you can tell this hasn't been done. Yeah, you wanna make sure you get these looking all brand new. I'm not gonna reuse these. Actually, we're just gonna go and replace them because they're extremely cheap. And like this one's in good shape, but you get two, so instead of replacing one, you might as well replace them both. But the rubber grommet right there, that comes off, that can go to your new one. You know what? I'll be right back. Okay, so you guys don't have to worry about the filming part. So what I want to do is get a drill bit like this. This one's all black and gross because I use this only for, we're gonna go ahead and just sip this in and out, get all the debris inside there. And do the same for here. See how that, look at that, really takes it all out. I'm gonna hit it with some brake clean, flush out whatever's in there. Oh yeah, getting the rest of those chunks. And then with your, obviously your safety glasses on, we're gonna wanna blow this out. Got your new rubber, the type with the, I don't know, it's got a pretty, it's a lot thicker. You'll know which ones to put in there. That one goes there. Same thing. If it creases in there, you don't have to really worry about that. Like if it does that, if it's not perfect, that's fine, because we'll just take one, you just put it in here, go around like that. There you go, and that pushes it in. This one went in nicely, but yeah, same difference. Take it in there. All right, so got your brand new one. This one comes with the new rubber grommet, but if it doesn't, you can always reuse the old one. What it's for, no clue. Maybe one of you can leave in the comment for everybody on what this is for. I see them all the time. Some have it, some don't. Don't know. I can see this is going to be a pain. Okay, that's in there. All right, cool. So you want to take your favorite grease, whatever you like. I prefer the CRC brake grease. Yeah. Put generously on there. That's how you want it, like that. Take the other side. Beautiful. All right, so one thing where we're gonna have it is, if we have this off, we're gonna go ahead and remove all the rust and debris from right there. Again, however you're gonna do it, I don't know. They make files. You got sandpaper you could shove on a screwdriver, scrape that really good. Me, personally, I just use a 3-inch, it's like a buff, and I'll go ahead and remove this. And that's it on that. All right, let's go ahead and moment of truth right here. Put my little tool in here. See if we can compress it. Nope, so it's not going. Now, to tell if it's a caliper or caliper bracket, it's a really simple test. It's simple, hard to show. So let's figure this out. So let's put this in upside down. Easier said than done. Okay. Okay, so essentially, if the caliper's stuck, it's stuck. There's really nothing you're gonna do to move it. But what I'm doing is I am applying pressure to the piston. Now what I want to do is I'm going to crack this brake bleeder right here. Now, if the piston instantly goes in, we know that the collapsed brake line is not allowing flow back in. So let's try this. Oh, this one's pretty stuck. Ah, wow. Don't want to break it off. Okay. And the piston's going in. So we do have flow. Here, I'll take this, put it out a little bit more. We do got flow in the calipers going in. The piston, I should say, is going in. So we now know that it is not a caliper issue, it's a brake line issue. So that's a really easy test. So you do that, and so that needs to be replaced. We're not going to replace that in this video. They don't really sell these for this vehicle around us, but essentially it's just take off. I don't know, depending on what you got. It probably comes with this little clip, holds it onto here, and this clip holds it onto here, and you can just screw it off and replace it. So that's it on that. That's how you do the brake job too. It's really easy. Yeah, I know I'm letting that hang there. I'm gonna get cussed out online for you guys from that one, but it's already all bad, so I'm not really worried about breaking it. It's all got to be replaced anyway. So before you guys send me a bunch of messages, just know it's all going to be replaced. Anyways, put a good amount of grease on your slides, put that all together, and job's done. Hope this video helped you in any way. If it does, hit that like button. If you really like it, subscribe to my channel. I do have an Instagram now, which is down in the description. Shows you some behind the scenes, some stuff that I see that I don't actually film, or if a new video is being loaded and I have some pictures and some crazy stuff I find in cars, that gets posted. Some traveling videos that I have on my channel, some sightseeing stuff and whatnot. But yeah, see you guys next time.